Welcome to Sports Science Tutor. This is an exclusive SPSS tutorial series brought to you by Sports Science Tutor. For the rest of this series, please visit sportsciencetutor.com/SPSS. Pearson's correlation. We have a fictitious data set here for a sample of powerlifters, and we have 1 repetition maximum squat scores and deadlift scores for each subject within this sample. And we might be interested in performing Pearson's correlation in order to determine the relationship between squat strength and deadlift strength. And to do so, we might click on Analyze, go to Correlate, and because we're looking at a correlation between 2 variables, we shall click on Bivariate, and then we'll move our 2 variables over to the variables box, and we have a number of options which we can select within this pop-up here. The default setting is Pearson correlation, which is what we're interested in performing, but if we had non-parametric data, then we might be interested in performing some of these other types of correlation instead. In terms of the test of significance, we have a 2-tailed option or a 1-tailed option. Now, with 2-tailed tests, you're testing for the possibility of correlation in both positive and negative directions. So in actual fact, because I'm fairly confident that any correlation between squat strength and deadlift strength is going to be positive in nature, I'm going to change that to 1-tailed. And there may be some additional options here, so it may be that I'm interested in having the means and standard deviations. If not, then simply don't select that box. Click Continue, click OK, and here is our SPSS output providing the results from our Pearson's correlation. And we can see that we have a significance of 0.000 in terms of the correlation between the 2 values. That's less than 0.05, and so there is a statistically significant correlation between the 2 variables, and the actual R value for the correlation is very high, 0.853, so that's fairly close to 1, which means it's not that far off a perfect positive correlation. And so we can say that we have a statistically significant and strong positive correlation between deadlift strength and squat strength.